The Thompson submachine gun is a firearm developed in 1919 by John Thompson of the United States, commonly called Thompson. The gun was widely used in many battles, including World War I and World War II, and the Korean and Vietnamese Wars, and is nicknamed the Chicago Typewriter because its sound resembles the sound of typing. This gun was suitable for close combat on the front lines, and it was modified and used by mafias and gangsters. Even the Chinese People's Army and the North Korean People's Army, which were enemies of the US military in the Korean War, used these guns that were supplied to the Soviet Union in World War II.